Hi, this is me, Dr. Sanaullah Khan, your companion on the journey of natural healing. Today we are diving deep into a very important topic, which is related to instant gastric relief, along with top two powerful acupressure points to eliminate gas, bloating, and indigestion naturally. In the modern world, gastric discomfort has become a common ailment affecting people of all the ages, cultures, and walks of life, be it a gas, bloating, indigestion, or acid reflux. Digestive issues are now ranked among the top 10 reasons people seek medical help globally. The over reliance on fast foods, late night eating, lack of exercise, and increased stress levels have led to widespread digestive dysfunction. Gastric issues are not only physically uncomfortable, but they also impair quality of life, cause emotional stress, and lead to dependency on medications like antacids, proton pump inhibitors, and digestive enzymes. While these may provide temporary relief, they rarely address the root causes. Moreover, chronic use of such medications can disrupt natural digestive process, alter gut flora, and contribute to long-term complications. This growing concern has sparked renewed interest in ancient natural healing practices, especially acupressure therapy, which provides a drug-free, side effect-free solution to treat and prevent gastric problems from the root. Here we have provided you top two acupressure points to cure gastric problems. Now let me tell you about point number 1. This is your conceptual vessel, point number 12. Now it is more clear to you now. It is also called CV12, which is conceptual vessel point number 12, and is also known as REN12, abbreviated as CV12, pronunciated as Zong Wang in Chinese language. This is your umbilicus. Just above the umbilicus, 4 kun above the umbilicus, on the anterior midline. This is your anterior midline of the upper abdomen. This is your upper abdomen. CV12, this is CV12, it is located over there. So you have to locate CV12, just move 4 kun above the umbilicus at the anterior midline of the upper abdomen. You will definitely reach CV12. So this is your CV12 now. It is recommended for curing following conditions: epigastric pain. If you have got epigastric pain, you will have to manage CV12 by just press and release method. If you are getting vomiting, you can use it. For hiccups, for acid reflux, you can use it. CV12 is very common to use for these conditions. For abdominal distension, diarrhea, dyspepsia, cough, copious phlegm, and jaundice. For these conditions, you can use CV12. The CV12 acupressure point strengthens and harmonizes the spleen and stomach, resolves dampness, relieves pain. Now let's have a look at the second point, stomach 36. So the point number 2 over here is your stomach 36. This is your stomach 36. You can see over here. This is your stomach 36, which is your point number 2 in this case. It is also called Sonali in Chinese language. Stomach 36 acupressure point. This stomach 36 acupressure point is located on the anterior aspect of the lower leg. This is your lower leg. 3 kun below. 3 kun below stomach 35. This is your stomach 35. So when you move 3 kun below, this means 3 thumb widths below stomach 35 at the anterior aspect of the lower leg, you will find stomach 36. This is your stomach 36. Stomach 36 acupressure point requires management for following indications: dysphagia, abdominal distension, diarrhea, indigestion, dysentery, constipation, abdominal pain, and acute mastitis. It is also recommended for general deficiency, palpitation, shortness of breath, poor appetite, dizziness, insomnia, cough and asthma, pain in the knee joint, apoplexy, hemiplegia, edema, depressive, psychosis, and madness. The stomach 36 is highly recommended for these above said ailments. Stomach 36 acupressure point tonifies chi and blood, harmonizes and strengthens the spleen and stomach, strengthens the body, and chi raises yang, calms the shen, activates the meridian, and stops pain. It is to be noted that stomach 36 is known as one of the most important points to tonify chi and blood and promote general wellness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This is Dr. Sanaullah Khan signing off. Stay blessed, stay healthy and keep healing naturally. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a nice day.